Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun. This is the screen brightness icon, and you can tap on it repeatedly to cycle between brightness levels. This is the lowest one, then we have the next one, next one, next one, and the maximum. And so once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, but you can also do this through the settings. So if we press the crown button on the home screen, it will open the menu. You can scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the brightness option selected. Select the manual brightness, and right here we have levels of brightness. We have 20, 40, 60, and 80, and 100%. Select the one you like, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Also, there was this night brightness option in the brightness settings. So if we go there, brightness and night brightness, and basically we can make a schedule for it, and it will turn on at certain time and turn off at certain time. And how it works is basically, I believe it reduces the brightness in that schedule so it won't disturb you during sleep. Let's see the description. Yeah, so basically it will adjust the screen brightness to the minimum during that period of time. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.